Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to monitor your credit score on Simple in 2025. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic, so you know what, let's just jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to log into your Simple account. So go on Simple's website and log in using your email address and password. And once you're logged into your account, you're going to navigate to the credit score tab that's in the top navigation bar. So go ahead and click on the credit score tab, and there you're going to be able to view your credit score as well as your credit report. So Simple's credit score monitoring tool allows you to see your credit score and the credit report all in one place, and that makes it easy to review. You can also track your credit score over time to see how it's changing, because Simple's credit score monitoring tools allows you to track your credit score over time, and you can basically see how well you're performing in your credit. Also, you can receive credit score alerts to notify you of any changes to your credit score, because Simple allows you to set up alerts to notify you of any changes to your credit scores, and that helps you to stay up to date and alert and aware of what's going on with your credits. That's pretty much it on how to monitor your credit score on Simple in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.